Warning to anyone that wants to challenge me. If anyone shows me that Zapp is alive, I won't blow up Spawn fully. And I will keep most. I'll help build it again. Only if you can show me that Zapp is alive, I won't kill everyone. If anyone can prove to me that Zapp is alive, I don't have to do anything else. My next target is the prison. If you try to defeat me, I will take everything. I will blow up the prison. I'll take the spawn eggs. Then next is Beebeyy's base. Skelly Jelly's base. And much more. Bases will get blown up. All I need to see that Zapp is not dead. I want to know if he's alive. Seek this as a warning to prove me that HPL will die. A warning to Zapp, and no matter what, HPL 6598 will die on the server. It won't be pleasant the rest of this time playing. Just show me that Zapp is alive. That's all I need to know from this massacre.